You wake up. It's dark. You check the clock. 3:07 a.m. Again. If this keeps happening, it's not random, and it's not just bad sleep. Your body is reacting to something. Let's break down what's really going on. Waking up at 3 a.m. is one of the most common sleep complaints in America. Here's what most people get wrong. They try to fix sleep at bedtime, but the real cause usually starts 6 to 10 hours earlier. 1. Cortisol is firing too early. Cortisol is not the enemy. It's your wake-up hormone. It should rise around 6 to 8 a.m., but chronic stress, late-night scrolling, and irregular schedules can shift that rhythm forward. So instead of rising at 6 a.m., it spikes at 3 a.m. Your brain interprets that as time to be alert. You may feel anxious for no reason, heart slightly faster, mind active. That's cortisol. 2. Your blood sugar is crashing. If dinner was high in refined carbs or alcohol, blood sugar rises quickly, then drops during the night. When glucose falls too low, your body releases cortisol, adrenaline, and glucagon. Those hormones wake you up to stabilize fuel levels. That wide awake at 3 a.m. feeling? Often metabolic. This is especially common if you skip protein at dinner, drink wine at night, or eat dessert close to bed. 3. You're coming out of deep sleep. Around 3 a.m., most people transition from deep sleep into lighter REM cycles. That makes you more sensitive to temperature changes, noise, hormone shifts, and breathing disruptions. If you snore, have mild sleep apnea, or sleep in a warm room, you are more likely to wake here. Why this matters? Chronic 3 a.m. wake-ups raise daytime fatigue, cravings for sugar, cortisol levels, and belly fat storage. Poor sleep affects metabolism, mood, and hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. This isn't just about being tired, it's about metabolic health. How to fix it? Stabilize dinner. Prioritize 25 to 40 grams protein, fiber, healthy fats. Reduce refined carbs and alcohol. Dim lights 90 minutes before bed. Blue light delays melatonin and shifts cortisol timing. Cool your bedroom. 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit supports deeper sleep cycles. If you wake, don't check your phone. Slow nasal breathing. 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. The goal isn't forcing sleep, it's calming the stress response. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.